Have you ever seen the ocean light up like a neon dance party? No, it's not aliens testing their spaceship headlights. It's nature's glow-in-the-dark spectacle. Welcome to the magical world of bioluminescence, where creatures don't just survive the dark. They thrive in it, lighting up the deep like underwater rock stars. Meet the bioluminescent sea creatures. So, what exactly is bioluminescence? Simply put, it's nature's version of glow sticks, but with fewer questionable dance moves. It's a chemical reaction inside an organism's body that produces light. The recipe? Just mix luciferin, a light-emitting compound, with oxygen and a splash of luciferase, an enzyme, and boom! Instant glow-up. Think of it as science and magic teaming up for the ultimate light show. Now, you might be wondering, why do sea creatures have built-in flashlights? Well, they use it for all sorts of clever reasons. Some, like the anglerfish, use it to lure in prey. Imagine being a tiny fish swimming in the deep. You see a pretty little light, and bam! Congratulations! Your dinner! Others, like the Hawaiian bobtail squid, use their glow to camouflage themselves. That's right, some creatures use light to blend into their surroundings. Meanwhile, jellyfish like the atolla uses flashy bioluminescent rings to scream, "Help! I'm being attacked!" to potential predators. All right, time to meet some of the ocean's best glow-in-the-dark performers. The anglerfish, the OG of bioluminescence. With a glowing lure dangling over its head, this deep-sea nightmare is both fascinating and terrifying, kind of like a living horror movie that swims. Its bioluminescent lure is home to symbiotic bacteria that help produce the eerie glow. This light acts as bait, luring unsuspecting prey straight into the anglerfish's gaping jaws. Since they live in the pitch-black abyss, their bioluminescence is crucial for survival, both for hunting and attracting mates. The vampire squid. Despite the name, it doesn't suck blood. Instead, when threatened, it shoots out a cloud of glowing mucus. Yes, glowing snot. This bioluminescent slime can linger in the water for minutes, confusing predators while the squid makes its escape. Unlike true squids, the vampire squid has soft, velvety skin and deep red coloration, adding to its spooky aesthetic. It thrives in oxygen-deprived zones where most predators struggle to survive, making it a true master of the deep. The lanternfish. These little guys are like the fireflies of the sea, using their glow to communicate with each other and avoid predators. Despite their small size, lanternfish are one of the most abundant fish in the ocean, making up a significant part of the deep-sea food chain. Their bioluminescence comes from specialized organs called photophores, which can blink in patterns to signal other fish or camouflage them from threats. At night, they migrate closer to the surface, creating a mesmerizing glow beneath the waves. The crystal jellyfish. This jellyfish doesn't just glow. It sparkles with a beautiful blue-green light, like an underwater Christmas decoration. Some scientists even used its glowing proteins to help medical research. Who knew jellyfish could contribute to science. The protein responsible for its glow, green fluorescent protein, GFP, has revolutionized biomedical research, allowing scientists to track cells in living organisms. When disturbed, the jellyfish pulses with a ghostly luminescence, making it one of the most mesmerizing creatures of the deep. The glowing coral. Yes, even coral gets in on the action. Some corals use fluorescence to protect themselves from harmful UV rays. It's like wearing sunscreen, but way cooler. Their glow is caused by proteins that absorb high-energy light and re-emit it in different colors, often producing neon-like hues. This stunning display isn't just for show. It may help corals attract symbiotic algae that provide them with essential nutrients. Some researchers believe their fluorescence could also play a role in coral healing and resilience against climate change. Imagine glowing trees instead of streetlights. Bioluminescence could light up our cities one day. While this idea sounds like science fiction, experiments with genetically modified plants have already produced faint, glowing effects. So, next time you're near the ocean at night, keep an eye out. The glowing wonders of the deep are out there, putting on a show just for you. Now, it's time to see how much you've learned from today's episode. We've got 3 fun trivia questions coming up. Ready? Let's start. Question 1. What is the main purpose of bioluminescence for deep-sea creatures? The correct answer is C. To find food, communicate, or evade predators. Bioluminescence serves practical survival functions like attracting prey, scaring off predators, or even hiding in plain sight. Let's go to the next question. Question 2. Which of these animals uses bioluminescent mucus as a defense mechanism? The answer is C. Vampire squid. The vampire squid releases a glowing mucus cloud to confuse predators, giving it time to escape. And for our last question, question 3. What is the name of the glowing protein found in crystal jellyfish? The correct answer is C. Green fluorescent protein, or GFP. GFP is a protein responsible for the glow of the crystal jellyfish and has been widely used in scientific research for tracking cells in living organisms. Great job! If you've got all 3 correct. If you missed one, don't worry. Now you know more about the incredible world of bioluminescent sea creatures and how they use their natural glow to hunt, hide, and communicate in the deep ocean. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution.